The tube lasers added a lot of capabilities for us in the southeast region of the United States. It's just amazing to what it can do to take away a lot of the secondary operations. Hi, I'm Tim Allhouse with Hydro Tube Enterprises. We're a tube fabricating company that does rotary draw bending and laser tube cutting. Have in-house capabilities to do powder coating, so we try and produce a part from start to finish. So we go down as far as 1/8" diameter on a tube, 1/8" 028 wall, and we can take and bend that tube, and we go up as large as 4" diameter. This is a part, an oval tube for a fitness equipment manufacturer that's got very good aesthetics to it, no wrinkles in the bend, outside or inside, which is very good for the high-end exercise equipment manufacturer. We've got hydraulic lines where we're doing TIG welding, high pressure assemblies. We have the capability to hydrostatic test up to 6,000 and 10,000 psi depending on which location. This would be used in either the air compressor manufacturer or the off-road construction equipment product line. Here is a grab handle that has been bent and flattened on the ends, and then we send this product to a plastic injection mold company who molds plastic and actually becomes a grab handle that goes into Freightliner trucks. This product is just straight off the laser, no deburring needed, and actually becomes a clamp that goes on a tube that would go into the telecommunications industry. If you have a tubular product, we would be able to tell you, yes, we can do that, no, we can't. What you can do as far as bend radii, we like to see 2D bends versus a real tight 1D bend. It's going to give you a much better looking product. We can tell you pressure ratings as far as what the material would be spec'd for, whether it should be out of stainless, out of carbon steel. We take a customer's drawing. We're not a design firm, but we can take a customer's drawing, make recommendations how to make that product more economical by changing materials, by changing bend radii, you know, replacing a part that maybe was machined, and now we do laser cutting and laser cut the tube and bend afterwards. So those features are then, you know, we're doing away with operations. This is a laser cut tube that goes again to the fitness equipment manufacturer, where we can do graphics in it. We can put names into a tube. This is actually numbers for sequence of holes that goes on the front of the tube where a pin would go through for a different location. But same thing, we could put a name, any script, anything that could be done in SolidWorks with a design, we can transfer to the laser and laser cut that image into a tube. We do parts where we can take and do full assemblies. We have certified welders. We have powder coating in-house, and we'll produce a bracket for each end. We'll miter cut the ends on the laser so we get a perfect fit for the welding, bending, and then afterwards we'll do the powder coating and can package it to make sure that it gets to the customer without being damaged, without the paint being damaged. Ideally, we like to start with a blueprint. That's our starting point, and we can tell you then from that print, you know, what we can do for you.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.